Life without electricity is difficult to imagine. It is very important to you as it makes many tasks easier. Many devices and machines in your day-to-day life run on electricity. What do you do when electricity goes off at night? You light up a torch and switch on electric generators, dynamos, or inverters. Let us learn from where a torch gets electricity.
Activity.
To observe the working of a torch. Take an electric torch. You can switch it on by pressing its switch. What happens when you switch it on? The torch bulb glows, giving light. Touch the front glass of the torch. Is it warm? So, when the torch is switched on, it gives heat and light. Turn off the switch. The bulb stops glowing. Do you have an idea how this torch works? Do you have an idea how this torch works? What is inside the torch? Let us find out. Firstly, open the cover of the torch. What is inside it? You may have seen 2 or 3 cylindrical objects. These are the electric cells. Take these cells out from the torch. Now switch the torch. Does the torch glow? No, it is not. Now again put the cells in and shut the cover of the torch. Switch it again. It will glow. It shows that the electric cells are important to glow a bulb. These are the energy source of the torch.